Ever wondered how a simple hammock can become the star of a viral sensation? At a family barbecue, Uncle Jim, known for his storytelling, decided to take a rest on a trusty backyard hammock. But this wasn't an ordinary swing. As he settled in, a tangled knot beneath worked its mischievous magic. With a sudden flip, Jim was hilariously launched onto the grass, resembling a comical slow-motion action scene. Laughter erupted, and thankfully, a quick-thinking niece captured the moment on her phone. The video spread like wildfire online, illustrating how unexpected tumbles can transform ordinary family days into unforgettable viral moments of shared joy.